So welcome to our session of learning German with Eduflair. So today's topic is timings. So today we'll learn how do we say time in German. You don't have to actually learn anything. If you know the numbers from 1 till 60, you can easily say. First of all, I'll explain you the pattern that we have, which is similar for all the timings. Now what is that? So suppose the timing is 8 o'clock. Now in timings, what we mentioned first is whatever you have at the R1. Like right now we have 8. 8 in German is what? 8. And then we add Uhr, which basically translates to o'clock. So 8 Uhr is 8 o'clock. Now let's suppose we have some minutes. 8 o'clock and 10 minutes. How do we say that in German? The pattern remains same. That is whatever you have at the R1, that is 8. In German is 8, then we add is Uhr, and then after Uhr we add whatever is there at the minutes. Let's see, 10, right? So what do we say? 8 Uhr 10. Let's see, we have 8 o'clock and 20 minutes. So how do we say that? 8, that is your 8, Uhr means o'clock, and 20, that is 20. 8 Uhr 20, 8 o'clock and 20 minutes. Same way, let's say we are speaking about 8 o'clock in the night. Now as it's an official clock, so it's a 24 hours clock. 8 o'clock in night is 20 o'clock. So 20 o'clock, how do we say that in German? 20 in German is 20, o'clock is Uhr, 20 Uhr. 20 o'clock and 10 minutes, 20 Uhr 10. So the pattern remains same. Once again, what's the pattern? Whatever is there at the R1, mention that thing first, then add Uhr, U-H-R, Uhr, and then whatever is at the minutes one. So now one important thing, what do we say for 12 o'clock in the midnight? Now for that we have two ways. Either you can say 0 Uhr or you can say 24 Uhr, which is basically your 24 o'clock. So that's all for your timings. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos of learning German with Eduflair. Ciao.
Eduflair, education driven by passion.